everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Michelle, and on my channel I post new videos about luxury planning and travel. So if those are some things that interest you, please consider subscribing to my channel down below and also hitting that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload new videos every single week. So today I do have an unboxing, or actually not really an unboxing, it's more so like a reveal slash first impressions, just because ever since I did get this bag, I have been using it every single day for the past 2 weeks now, and I have been just loving it more than I thought I was going to. I have been looking for an everyday bag that did not have a zipper, and also that would fit my Louis Vuitton desk agenda cover because I do carry that with me every single day. And I came across the Louis Vuitton Petit Noe and have just eyed it, and I saw that it was out of stock online, so I did not want it that bad also that I needed to go ahead and contact my CA to see if they had it in stock so that she could send it over to me. But when I did see that it was in stock online, I just decided to go ahead and order it to see if I liked it. And note to self, don't order things to see if I just like it, because most of the time I'm really just going to love it. So I did get the Petit Noe, and I am just loving this bag so much. And when the package first came in, I did not even bother filming an unboxing for it because I really thought I was going to return this bag. But when I went ahead and just took out the bag from the box and the dust cover and put my desk agenda cover inside, that was a deal breaker for me when I was like, I'm gonna keep this bag because my desk agenda cover fit and all of my other essentials did fit too, of course, because this is a bigger bag. And I have been loving this bag so much ever since, and it's just so cute. It's made very well, and the details of this bag are amazing. And yeah, let me go ahead and talk a little bit more about this bag. So first things first, if you are scared of vachetta, don't get this bag. This bag has vachetta everywhere. So there's vachetta on obviously the shoulder strap, there's vachetta on the drawstrings, the trim, the sides of the bag, and also on the bottom of the bag too. So you just have to be very, very careful of this bag if you are scared of vachetta. And something I also want to mention is that where the bag rests on your body, I'm too short, it can also like rub against like your jeans and things like that. And when I did get this bag, like when I first unboxed it, I was just so excited about, you know, the bag and things like that, that I put it on, and when I did try it on, like it brushed against a belt that I was wearing, and it's from Tory Burch, so as you know, it's like a T logo. And so I actually already did scratch like some of the leather on the bottom, if it would focus. I don't even think you can really kind of tell. But yeah, so that happened. Also, I was on a trip to Las Vegas, so when we got down from the car to make a pit stop at Target, I went to go use the restroom, and then someone else who was washing their hands next to me, you know, kind of just went like this with their hands and got my bag wet. And so right over here there is also some water stains already. I don't know if you can tell. Oh, there you go. There's also some water stains here too. And if you guys are wondering, I am not going to go ahead and treat my bag. I think that bags kind of gain character over time, and it's not also really noticeable anyway. So with that, I'm still loving this bag even with like how delicate it is. And also they're just happy memories of this bag. Me when I first got it, and also when I first took it down. So because I was using this bag for travel this weekend, I was carrying a lot more things in this bag than I would be carrying on a daily basis. And with this bag, I love how it has a structured bottom, so there is no bag sag. And also I want to mention how this strap is just so comfortable on the shoulder because it's so thick, unlike the shoulder straps of the newer version of the Noe, like the Neo Noe, and also the Neverfull. So this strap is amazing, and it's so comfortable on the shoulder. Something else I want to mention is I love the details of this bag. It says Louis Vuitton right over here on the shoulder strap, if it would like to focus. And over here, I love the details on the hardware. It also says Louis Vuitton on these little rings. And here it says Louis Vuitton and made in France. And the date code of this bag is actually right over here on the inside. You can see that. So I am also getting a Samoga bag organizer for my Petit Noe. I just placed the order maybe like last week, and so I'm waiting for that to come in to do like a what fits inside my bag, because right now, other than that, everything is just like everywhere in my bag. And so yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and wait for that till then. And the last thing I also want to mention about this bag is that the price of this bag is $1,400, and this is such a good price point for a bag, because I know the Neo Noe is like about $1,700 and the Neverfull is about $1,500, and like this one is so much more comfortable than those two bags and can carry not as much as like the Neverfull, but this one definitely can carry as much as the Neo Noe, and it comes with this strap that I feel would be more comfortable. And so yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this video. Please let me know if you have any questions about my new bag in the comments below. I am loving this bag so much more than I thought I would, so I'm gonna be using this one every day now. And so yeah, let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I will see you in the next video. Bye!